WDSU first warning weather alert day because a flash flood warning has just been issued, upgraded from the flood advisory right here in New Orleans. We're going to get in and show you under the advised area that has now been upgraded to the warning. Let's stop Doppler radar, and there it is. Everybody that's surrounded in this red, which is right through the central part of New Orleans, from the CBD, as you go a little farther east, Bywater, Marigny's within here too. Let's get in a little bit closer here for us and show you exactly where the heaviest rain is falling from Chalmette right over our Doppler radar. But the West Bank from Tarrytown and Marrero is also getting very heavy rain to Algiers and Algiers Point. But you can see that storm still has more south of here. When I put it in motion, this is why you've got that warning that will go up until tonight. And that's 7:45, because we could have even more storms south move over the same area. Belle Chasse has been one of the areas that's had some of the highest rain totals so far. Let's get to the here and now and show you the North Shore. You've also got some strong storms. A little bit ago, hail reported on the causeway. Right now, it's the twin span that may not be the best to get to. In fact, almost all the routes to the North Shore to and from south to north are experiencing some heavy rain right now, but the worst looks to be over Slidell. We get towards around Lake Borgne and Mississippi Sound, and we have more storms that are there. But that's my concern. If we would find those storms moving northward and putting more rain here, that is the biggest issue and the biggest situation. So let's see Doppler radar, how it lines up with our latest short-term forecast data, and it lines up pretty well. It does depict we've got the rain that's here. I mean, it's not exactly, but it does a pretty good job. Still shows through this evening the North Shore may be getting the worst of those storms that actually are west of us and move west to east, but that's what I don't like to see. It's the evening and overnight hours, still more storm potential, very heavy in nature, all the way to the early morning hours, and a final round as we're getting up tomorrow morning. That means the morning commute, getting to work, getting kids to school. That could be another wet one too. We're not totally done with these storms until we get to Tuesday afternoon. Tarrytown's now taking the list for the highest rain total at just about almost 1 3/4 of an inch. Raceland's had some rain too, but look at Mandeville, had stacked up some rain pretty quick with those North Shore storms. So locally heavy rain. The flooding situation is the biggest deal and impact to you through tonight. A level 2 threat for the excessive rainfall out of 4. Now we are warm enough, humid enough, and enough spin in the atmosphere. There is a very low level chance an isolated storm could come with hail, but there is also the possibility that you get some spin up. So really hail and a weak tornado are still great threats to look for, but it's the excessive rainfall that's not totally done till we get past tomorrow. So we've got level 2 threats both for tonight and even going through tomorrow as well. Getting into Tuesday, we have some dense fog to get up and get going through those morning hours. That's mainly going to be for the lakes and around bodies of water on the coast. Now we're still pretty mild tomorrow morning. We're starting off into the 60s, but be prepared to allow for extra time, for fog, and the remaining showers and storms that don't completely let up till we get to the afternoon. There is a chance we get some sun to come late in the day, just warms us up enough, and we could be pushing mid-70s. It might be a little optimistic. We're really not going to drop below 60s because we're going to hold steady with that. Into Wednesday morning, we've got 50s and 60s and another round of some fog potential. That one might be a little bit more widespread and worse, but better news to come into Wednesday, into Thursday. A lot of sunshine coming back into our forecast, and these could be 2 of our warmer days we've had back-to-back in a while with 80-degree temps. So WDSU first warning weather 7-day forecast. We've got that WDSU first warning weather alert through tonight. Goes to impact tomorrow as we're finally done with the rain. Then a cold front Friday. Watch as we head to the weekend brings better weather. Oh, but daylight saving time kicks in on Saturday night too.